Guys, the world's first ever AI music video agent just launched. It's called Freebeat. You paste a song link, hit generate, and you get a full music video back. It is up to 6 minutes of video long, which is insane. Visuals are beat synced to your track. Characters stay consistent, and there is lip sync if your song has vocals. Now in this video, I want to show you everything you need to know, so exactly how it works, some step-by-step demos, and then finally just show you what this stuff actually looks like. It's going to be a really fun one. This is a super unique product and launch, so I'm looking forward, and let's go. So again, what this is an AI music video agent that takes a song and automatically outputs a complete music video. And I'm just a nerd with this stuff, so just a little bit about how it works, right? It'll analyze or break down the BPM, the rhythm, and then the structure of the song. And once it understands that structure, then it can generate the individual video or visual generations that it needs. And then once it understands the structure or the beat, then it can break it down into individual video or visual generations that's required. And then it stacks those together into your full 6 minutes of video, which there are not tools out there that generate 6 minutes of cohesive AI video. So a really cool application here. What's also cool is that you can upload links just directly from YouTube or SoundCloud or just your own MP3 audio, and it'll pull that audio in for the generation. And the lip sync, in my estimation, is about 90% accurate. That's across multiple languages. It is really good with character consistency. And then critically, it exports in vertical format as well as horizontal. So if you want to make shorter reels or shorts, then you can do that in one generation as well for your 9:16. So I want to jump into my computer for the demos. Now first, if you want to follow along and make your own music videos while you're watching this and learning about the platform, it is completely free to start. You can go to this link on the screen or in the description, and you support the channel when you do that. If you want more usage and you want to upgrade to a paid plan, you can get 10% off with the code in the description. Either way, that is freebeat.ai. And now let's get into my computer. And this is overall what the platform looks like. There is a lot in here we're going to get into. There's also a lot we won't, which you can get into on your own time. But let's just jump straight into it. What I want to do, I want to go to Creative Agents right here, and then click on Music to MV or Music to Music Video. But let's just jump into it. What I want to start with is the core feature, right? Singing to music video, e.g. taking a song and turning it into a music video. Now again, you can upload your own MP3 track. You can also pull from YouTube, from SoundCloud, or from a whole range of popular songs that we can see right here. So let's go with Abracadabra from Lady Gaga. And then I'm going to go ahead and expand this to the first 2.5 minutes of the song. Let's go ahead and click confirm. So we've chosen our song. Now we can talk to the AI. You can describe the exact visuals that you want. If you have a vision in mind, if it's your own MP3 track and you want to bring your own song and music to life, this is how you do it. Just write an extremely descriptive prompt. The more the better. We're not going to do that. We're just going to let the AI come up with whatever it wants. And there is a borderline infinite range of styles the AI or you can go with. If we click under character, we can see some of the preset consistent characters it can use. You can also upload your own if you want to. For aspect ratio, we're going to stick with 16:9. We're going to go to 1080 full resolution. Now for style, again, this is all just how much do you want to customize it or what's your own vision. For this, let's go photorealistic. Let's see how good the AI can do. Now for captions, if you've used a tool like Opus, you'll recognize a lot of these. These are all the very popular subtitles that you see on social media. I don't want that in this case, so I'll leave it off. We're also going to switch from fast to expert mode, and then let's go ahead and click create. We'll click continue. Now we can see all the steps here that it's going to go with. If you turn on auto mode, then the agent or the AI will do all of it for you. In this case, just to show you what the process is here, we are not going to do that, but again, you can skip all of that if you want to. I also want to point out the 3 tabs here. We can see the canvas, which is a more visual way of seeing all the steps that the agent will go through. Then we have the editor, which once you have visuals will make more sense, and then results. Now, if we also click under thought here, we can see exactly what's being worked on. So it analyzed the song, it mapped out the music, and then this is the analysis. It did a whole, segment analysis, music identity. There is a lot here, which especially if it's your own music, I think will be really interesting to you. In our case, let's go ahead and say continue, and that this looks good to me. Now we're on to style. Okay, it's selected Gothic Gothic realism as the primary style, which will be fun to watch. Let's go ahead and say continue. Then ironically, I think that is a good fit. And now that I think about it, that is a pretty good fit for that song specifically. Okay, now we can see the creative concept that's generated here. So this is where we start to see the visual direction for the music video. In this case, we have a brutalist forge with a lone practitioner transmuting the raw elemental grief, which he or she feels, into a pulsating liquid chrome relic as a dark moon rises. So pretty creative storyline there. And again, you can start to see basically the same steps here a human would go through. Of you have a rough concept, you get to a storyline, then after this we start to actually create the visuals, but this is just the story with all the different shots planned out, which then gets turned into those individual clips to form this multi-minute video. That looks good to me. Let's click continue. Now here we can see that that overall storyline was translated into specifically 10 scenes, each with a description, a style, lighting, atmosphere, narrative, function, transition, etc. So this is the literal plan that now we're going to translate into visuals. Let's hit continue. And now here we can see that 79 images or shots are being generated for this, and we are 55 through. Okay, our 79 storyboard frames are done, and what a beauty this is. I mean, just look at the scale of the visuals here. Really just fun to see. And again, this is the default mode, so it's much more performance oriented versus the more abstract or the more cohesive story arc that we'll get into in some of the other features and demos. So this looks awesome to me. I'm excited to see the video. Let's click continue. Okay, the final video is done. We had about 60 videos generated from the images or the shots. Now we are gonna have to replace this with no copyright music. This is a Lady Gaga track. So I'll play that over it. This is the actual Abracadabra song, and let's watch the first 30 seconds together. So very cool abstract theme there with some pretty epic visuals. It is synced pretty well to the music as well. You would have to actually be able to hear it. You could try that out yourself to hear that. So that is the whole flow and doing it manually. But next, what if you want an actual story that is told cohesively through your music video? You can do that too, and you can do it without having to manually prompt every shot. So let's jump into demo number 2. And for this, I want to customize it more. So what we're going to do, I found this copyright free. This is a YouTube video song with lyrics. Let's listen to this for a second. Now what I did here, I went to Suno.com. This is an AI music maker. Let's listen to one of these for a few seconds. So that's the song we're going to use. I'm going to go ahead and copy the link. Let's jump back into here. I will paste that Suno link. So this is going to be full AI end-to-end song and music video for this demo. So it is pulling the rhythm and the lyrics from here. And then let's go find a character. So let's search this dude. Let's take that image. You can upload a video of yourself if it's your own music. And then once this is done, we'll go ahead and upload that character. Okay, for this, we'll select 30 seconds. And let's move to a portion with more lyrics. Let's click confirm. Now under character, right here, I'm gonna click upload. So now we have our guy. Let's click continue. Now under style, what I'm going to do is select Cyberpunk. We'll keep this to 1080. Let's go vertical, so 9:16. And we'll keep this on fast, and then we're going to turn on auto. So all steps are automatically going to be accepted and gone through by the AI itself. Now we'll click continue. And with storytelling mode, again, there will be more of a actual cohesive story told throughout this video. Let's select the first 30 seconds once more. I'll click confirm. We'll leave it blank. Let's go back to 16:9. For style, let's go for sketch. We'll go a lot more abstract for this. Also, I saw Lego in there. That's a fun one right there. I'll have to play around with that. And we will leave this one on 720p, so it's a bit faster. We have auto on. We're on expert mode. I'll click create. Okay, so we can see in the editor track, this is done as well. I didn't show you this last time, but you can play around with all of the actual clips here. Let's go ahead to results and give this a watch for a few seconds. Now, what I also want you to pay attention to right here is the lip sync. If we jump back, just listen to this few seconds and look at the lips. So that's the kind of accurate lip sync you can get. If you want it, you just prompt it and you will get that. Let's watch it one more time. And so we can see much more of a story is told there. And we can go check the creative brief if we want to understand what the storyline is or what's being told. Now for demo number 3 here, what I want to do is the abstract music video mode. So the default mode is focused around your performances or your individual, very visual videos. Storytelling has a cohesive narrative or story arc. And abstract is exactly like it sounds. This will be best for music videos which have no vocals in the song, rather just instrumentals. Let's go ahead and click add music. So we're here on SoundCloud with some no copyright lo-fi. Let's go ahead and click share on this track. I've copied the URL. We'll jump back. I'll paste that link, click enter. And so now it's going to directly pull the instrumentals from that SoundCloud link. Okay, it is working through all these steps fully on its own. Okay, let's give this a watch. It's very abstract. This honestly might be my favorite of the 3. I just love some of the transitions that we get, especially in that shot right there. So those are the 3 core demos for music videos. So singing, storytelling, and abstract. There's a lot more that we're not covering here. If we click on the toolbox, we can see all these, 30 different tools and agents and apps. And that's what I really want to emphasize here to wrap it up. You can have as much control as you want and use this to reflect what you want to create. If you want hands-off, abstract, just let the agent do everything, you can do that. If you want to plan every single shot for your own music, you can do it as well. This is supposed to give you the tools and the ability to bring your visions to life, whether you're storyboarding out a music video you create in real life or this being the deployed end-to-end product. And this is one of the only platforms, period, where you can generate something like 6 minutes of cohesive, intelligent, consistent video. And there you go, that is freebeat.ai. Okay, so there you go. That's everything I wanted to show you. Again, a really cool and unique platform. And I hope, honestly, they generalize it to just not only music videos, but just anything that you want 6 minutes of cohesive video for. But anyway, if you want to try them out for free, that is freebeat.ai. It is in the name. You can start for free, or you can use that code in the description for 10% off. Either way, go make something cool. I appreciate your time and being here, and I will see you in the next one.